Masarap pa naman ba may ketchup? Ketchup tayo.
So ayan po, mga madam. Hi, madam. Hi, madam. Madam, madam. Hi.
May vlogging pa naman.
Po tayo. Kasama po natin ang mga sikat na
Mag-picture tayo kay Nico.
Are you Nico Loco? Ay, iba pa. Iba pa lang Nico yun. Ha? Are you Nico Loco?
Hindi ko alam. Mag-G tayo, G. Wait lang.
Yan, maglalaro tayo guys. We'll make the ball, roll. Yay! Thank you so much. Masaya naman, contestant number 2. Our very own dermatologist, straight from Pampanga. Yay! You want like this also?
From Legazpi City.
From Legazpi City, representing. Wow, what's that? Benza, Quash. Paano yan?
Please choose one.
Choose one.
Choose one.
Pokemon, I choose you.
It's so difficult to choose.
Ako?
Wills ang bilis.
Yung Cetaphil. Yeah.
Yeah, ako din. The classic one.
The classic, because I am classic. Woo!
Me too. Isa lang pala. May bag po.
Oh, di ba?
May bag po. So, may patang pa ba?
Ayan. Hello, ito po yung pinakamayaman.
Ay, hindi po. Ito po, si Doc.
Thank you. Hi, madam.
How are you?
Hi. I'm alive.
Relax lang.
Yes.
Ano? Ay, hi!
Wala lang. Nagkada ako ng mga random clips. Sige, mag-beep lang ako.
The winner goes to
Oh, it's a raffle draw.
Dr. Noel.
So we do this by beeping.
PGS 2405585. Good morning, Nino Katambe.
Welcome daw.
PGS 24025.
Have the Aguila Award that you will be keeping for the 1 year. Congratulations to everyone. Congratulations to the consultants, resident, and PGH.
This should be original from Korea. So this is the original from Korea. I would want
Ano yan?
Don't wanna be flag.
Ah, wala yung... Ayun o.
Gagalaw to?
Ayun, magalaw na siya. Kahit ilagay yung ganyan. Kahit ilagay yung ganyan.
Tapos,
Ayun, nahanap ka niya.
may SD card siya.
Yan. So, mas madali na mag-film kasi nakatrack na sa'yo. Osmo, bakit? Ayan po, pinagsilbihan kami ng aming dalawang madam. Madam Maylin, Madam Net. At ito ang pinaka, very rare Pokemon na kunan ko ng video.
No, I don't wanna be flag.
Eh, pwede mo ba sabihin na huwag na nilang ikabit yung sticker, magtatanggal ka pa?
Baka makita na.
Kailang buong bottle yun ah.
So at the age of 47, nag-menopause na siya. Did it get better for her? Like yung mga symptoms? Or you did not ask?
So sabi ko, it's not really gawa-gawa ng peri-meri.